What is up and welcome to another video. Join me today, guys. Bitcoin is pumping and all of the altcoins are going crazy and going nuts right now. So if you are in profit and if you have watched the previous stream yesterday, congratulations, because majority of our trades are in profit right now. And if you are in our Discord community, congratulations in advance. And if you are ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas.
Welcome guys to another stream. Today is Thursday and we are approaching the weekend once again. So today we are going to talk about the Bitcoin's price and of course a lot of altcoins. I have prepared several charts here. I'm going to share with you as well what is happening inside Discord, and of course I'm going to update you with some other trades. And I think right now we are in a very good opportunity, guys, to possible enter the market. And right now we are approaching the resistance level. Bitcoin is approaching, the Bitcoin's price is approaching the previous support. Now this will act as a resistance. Is that correct, Philip? Gavovanacha. Sorry, I cannot pronounce your name, but welcome to the stream, guys. We have Philip joining us today. We have also Emmanuel Almafellas. So Bitcoin's price is retesting this previous support, guys, as a resistance, and also the oscillator is on the overbought area right now. So Bitcoin could possibly get rejected from this area. But looking at this inverse head and shoulders pattern, looks like that this inverse head and shoulders pattern is playing out right now. So let's wait for daily candle confirmation before going on a short position here, because right now we need a confirmation. Although we have a 4-hour candle closing below here, this should be our initial confirmation here for a possible short position, guys. We have this candle wicks right here. So let's try to check the possible risk to reward ratio. If you're going to do a swing trade, I think BTC will probably go back down to 36,000 level. This is going to be my target here. But as discussed yesterday, guys, we have a lot of liquidity on the higher levels, around 43,600 yesterday. 1.7 billion short liquidation is on that level, and I think majority of the short positions got liquidated. Let's check CoinGlass, by the way, and let's check what will be the total short liquidations in the past 24 hours. I hope you're not one of those who got liquidated. So let's see here. Exchange liquidations in the past 24 hours, 84% short position has been liquidated. Guys, I have warned you yesterday that there is a huge liquidation on the Bitcoin's 43,600 or 44,000 level. So let's go check it out, the CoinGlass or the liquidation heat map. So yesterday I've shared with you right now on the lower time frames, guys, 3-day time frame, huge liquidation level here. Long position liquidation level at 42,500. So right now it looks like that we might be going lower. So let's go check out the weekly time frame first. Let's see if we are due for a correction. So we still have this liquidity or liquidation level. Right now on the weekly time frame, this area right here is around 2 billion. We still have 2 billion here at around 43,000 600, guys. So I think we can still go up a little bit to liquidate all this short position before we go down. So right now what we are seeing is a short squeeze, guys. We are seeing a short squeeze. All of this short position are closing. Majority of the short position are closing right now. That is why we are seeing this huge green candle here. These are the effect of short squeeze. So once the short position is liquidated, then the market will buy back that position, and the effect of that in the price of Bitcoin is it will push the price higher. So right now we are seeing the 1.7 billion liquidation level here being squeezed right now. So I think we can still go up a little bit to liquidate majority of the shorts. So let's go wait for this area, guys. Possible wick up to this level before going down. So let's wait for this level here. This is going to be my short entry point for Bitcoin. Although we have this target right here for the possible double top, I'm gonna start to DCA here. I'm still holding my short position, guys, for Bitcoin, and I'm gonna DCA out to this level right here. I think we are still going to see that final shakeout before the halving, and right now we are 65 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. So let's go through the charts very quickly here. So again, for Bitcoin, I will be looking at this level right here, possible short position. So this is going to be my short entry here, zone. This is going to be, let's go check out the, so this is going to be 46,400 up to 46,800 level. I'm going to set my stop loss just a little bit below this candle wick right here. So let's try to move it a little bit. So that is going to be around 5%, guys. But the overall swing target for this trade will be back to $46,000. That will give us 20%, 23% target here. Huge target. That is why I have a huge risk to reward ratio here. So this remains as the safer short entry point, guys. All right. Let's make it 6%. That is still worth the risk. I'm going to share this one in our Discord under Bitcoin's channel. I forgot to share the stream in our all right, join me live. So let's go back to the next chart. Again, if you want to trade Bitcoin, guys, Bybit right now, they have airdrop incoming airdrop. You can claim up to 500, or you can claim 500 USDT position. You can use this to go on a long or a short position for Bitcoin. But of course, you need to create an account using my referral link in the description down below. Plus, you must hold at least minimum of $100 in your account. Plus, you need to fill up this form right here. All you have to do is just to put your user ID and what is the corresponding email for the above user ID, and your request will be processed within 2 weeks of form submission. Next one is DYM going crazy here, guys. Almost up by 57% from my yesterday's tweet here. So the volume is now moving to DYM because of the exchange listing. Possible short-term pump. Long-term price will likely go down. The market cap right now is at $750 million. So let's go check out what will be the tapping point for DYM. Let's go use this Fibonacci extension level. So let's try to find some good swing areas here. So let's do the swing low, swing high, and retest here. So probably this will might continue to go up to 8.65. Watch out for this level. possible target and possible reversal point. So keep an eye on this one. Damn, or DYA. Damn. So we are up by almost 60% from yesterday's tweet, guys. And you know, my entry point for long position was around 5.11. That was a beautiful, beautiful move. If you have traded this one in spot, you almost made half of the initial position if you were able to get into the trade early. Again, if you enjoyed this kind of stream, guys, or if you enjoy this kind of information, be sure to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, and click that notification bell. Next one, we are going to talk about CAS. Why do we have CAS here? Let's go check out the next one. I think I need to delete the previous charts here. So, right. So this is going to be the target and possible reversal point for DYM. So keep an eye on this one. Let me share this one first before we move on to the next chart. DYM possible reversal area. All right. And by the way, all charts on CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So next one. WIF. This should be WIF, guys. Let's go find WIF. All right. Where is WIF? WWW. URSTW WIF. All right. So WIF. All right. So I think WIF right now manages to break this 50 exponential moving average. And you know, previously I have predicted this head and shoulders pattern here for WIF, guys. Look at this beautiful, beautiful trade. I have posted this on my Twitter account. Head and shoulders pattern for WIF. A beautiful beautiful trade, guys. This was the previous head and shoulders pattern, and right now the price have dropped to this level, and I have shared this trade on our Discord group today, guys. So this was the entry point here, and today we are up by almost 10%. If you have traded this one with leverage, you could have made a good profit, but right now it looks like that WIF have broke out from this 50 exponential moving average. Right now the price is retesting this as a support. So if you are still on a long position, I would suggest in my own opinion to move your stop loss back to entry here. And right now the price is retesting this area as a support, and I still believe that in the short term WIF will continue to rally up to 0.26 level. So keep an eye on this chart as well. This was the initial trade today, guys, when WIF was trading at around 0.22. Beautiful, beautiful trade. And by the way, if you want to take advantage of the indicator that I'm using, guys, I'm using Chart Prime, one of the best paid indicator in my own experience. If you are going to use my referral link in the description down below, you will get up to 50% discount. Plus, you can try Chart Prime for 7 days, risk-free. Next one is PETH. What happened to my chart here? So PETH is still consolidating above the previous breakout point and zone resistance, guys. So this was the previous long entry point here. Beautiful, beautiful trade. We have hit the final target short term, and right now probably the price gonna consolidate on this area and will likely break out soon. But right now we have a short-term bearish divergence here on the oscillator. So let's try to find this bearish divergence. Possible double top here. So still the same zone, guys. Again, Short term, long near this area right here, possible bounce. Buy zone and target, short term for PETH, guys. Still in an overall uptrend. If you are going to zoom out, we have this beautiful, beautiful support trend line right here. So probably if you can catch the price near the bottom of this channel right here, the price has been consolidating from this area for 6 days right now, and this is going to be my buy zone here from 0.45 up to 0.46 area. So probably a good bounce near this level right here. All right, so let me just share this one in our Discord. Lower. All right, next one. We have chart requests from Barbara Spencer, API3, and from Shani, ARKM. Let's see if we still have time today. We'll check it out. And right now, we'll leave it in the notepad. Just take note of it. Next one is Kasama. Kasama. What happened to my chart getting scrambled? Kasama, guys. Let's go check out Kasama. KSM. So Kasama, we have discussed this yesterday, guys. Falling wedge pattern. The target, ideal target of this falling wedge will be the top of the wedge here. So wait for the, for now, I have taken profit on my long position. Majority of my long position is already closed, and I am starting to wait for my for new opportunities, guys. So right now I'm gonna wait for the price 4-hour candle or daily candle closing above 40 might possibly bring the price higher, but if the daily candle closed below 40.5, then probably the price would revisit this area right here at around 38 up to 39 level. This is also one of the trades in our Discord, guys. Congratulations, we have hit the final target. This was posted 3 days ago, February 5. Next one, we'll jump into, I don't know what happened to the chart here. Getting scrambled. I think it's getting reset. So super, let's just go check out one by one. Super, I think this one. Let's go check this one out. So super also is one of our Discord trade, guys. Again, we have a beautiful support trend line here. Overall target remains up to 7.1. So right now, the price is consolidating on this level right here. This is actually the middle zone, and we have a lot of trades here. This zone right here is the previous resistance for super, guys. And if super will be able to hold this as a support, then probably we will be looking at possible price surge up to 0.71. So this is around almost 50-50, guys. 7% risk, 7% reward. And right now we are on profit. We are up by almost 10%, guys. And another 13% here if the price will be able to hold this level. So right now, if you took this trade, I would, in my own opinion, I would move my stop loss right now higher, back probably below this area right here at around 0.59, below this support trend line. and below this 200 exponential moving average and 50 exponential moving average. Smash that like button, guys, because this is, I think, another good trade here that we can take. Yesterday, by the way, our Solana trade was close at 101.4, and that was a beautiful $500 trade. So another leg up here, possible another leg up for Super, guys. Another possible, another leg up. Wait for, all right, so wait for confirmation. Next one is Polkadot, guys. This is something that you need to keep an eye on. So Polkadot, let me open the chart first. Polkadot. So beautiful head and shoulders pattern here. Previously for Polkadot, and we have hit our target here. This is also one of the VIP trades here that was posted January 22, and this is around 16%. Huge move, guys. The target was 5.8, and we have hit at up to 5.9 area, and right now Polkadot is retesting this neckline right here. So probably we're looking for a possible good short position here. Bearish divergence forming on the oscillator. Plus we have 200 exponential moving average. But I think this is what you need to keep an eye on, guys. Daily candle closing above this level right here, because this right now of 200 exponential moving average and 50 exponential moving average are going to act as a support. So still the same possible short position, guys. This was the previous short position here, which was a beautiful trade, almost 10% move right there from this previous short entry point. And I will be looking at the same level right here because we have actually a very good support trend line here for Polkadot. And right now, probably the price would revisit this area and move back down here if Bitcoin is going to get rejected from that resistance level. So keep an eye on the 7.15 up to 7.3 level for Polkadot, guys. Next one is ETC. Our ETC trade is still in a very good profit, guys. And if you are going to look at the lower time frames, open a ETC chart. So if you open several charts here using TradingView, it doesn't really save the chart, because I have several charts here, but somehow it gets the chart was lost. So for ETC, this inverse head and shoulders pattern is playing out, but we have a strong resistance here, guys. Strong resistance, but I still think that we could get another bounce from this level right here. So right now, this is the 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth attempt to break this resistance at $25. So probably we might get a retest of this 50 exponential moving average, and then we'll go up higher, up to $27, guys. So probably if you want to get into this trade, And this is going to be my risk to reward ratio here for ETC, probably up to this level. Right, current price, let's do the current price. All right. Straight head, I'm looking at 530-day cup and handle for Polkadot. That's a huge cup and handle pattern. Long term, guys, I remain bullish for majority of the altcoins because right now, again, we are in a we are approaching that parabolic run. Again, if you have watched my previous analysis about Bitcoin halving, and I have talked about supply shock as well. Supply shock is related to the Bitcoin halving event that will happen on the 20th of April, guys. And again, if you have watched my previous explanation about before the halving, 500 days before halving is accumulation, and 500 days before the halving is the possible parabolic run if the previous price action is going to play out. So for ETC, this is going to be my trade setup here. 4% risk versus 10% reward. All right, so let me share this one in the I think for now the best strategy, guys, is if you don't know how to trade leverage, if you are scared of getting liquidated, I think easiest to do right now is to buy spot and huddle. In spot, you'll not get liquidated, but all you have to do is just to hold, guys. If you panic sell, then you might close the trade in a loss. But if you have been into the game of crypto, you should be very much aware of the volatility of the crypto market. 30% is normal, guys. 30% is normal. If you have been into the previous cycles, 30%, we are still buying the dip. 30%, 50%, we're still buying the dip. So, you know, the time when everyone was turning their profile picture with the laser eyes. And right now, let's see if we can spot some laser eyes this coming bull run. Let me share this in our Discord, maybe crypto signals channel. I think this is a good setup. Let me add a all right, let's move it 4.3, guys, because ETC is a little bit volatile, so we should have much ETC. All right. Yeah, I'm just holding. I accumulated more and more throughout 2022 and 2023. I have accumulated Bitcoin at 16,000 when everyone was scared and everyone was calling about the 10,000 target. I was accumulating Bitcoin, guys. So I was buying at $16,000 together with other altcoins, especially Polkadot. I remain bullish with Polkadot long term, and of course Ethereum spot ETF will likely come in the future, similar to Bitcoin, guys. There will be a lot of rejection and rescheduling, but eventually I think, in my own opinion, it is going to happen in the future, and that is going to be a very bullish narrative for Ethereum, guys. And also Polkadot 2.0 is coming. These are just the blue chips and safer cryptos. They have a lot of high risk crypto as well, but I would put much of my investment into safer bets rather than buying a $100 meme coin or $200 meme coin or micro cap that 90% of the time will probably go to zero rather than doing 100x. How about Litecoin? Finger crossed on DOT. It's been performing terribly. Yeah. DOT is a slow mover, but you know, the previous all-time high of Polkadot is 55, guys. And right now I think Polkadot is trading at 7. I bought Polkadot at around 3. So if we return to 55, I would make a bunch of exits on Polkadot. So let's cross our fingers, and bull run is coming. So just sit back, relax, and be prepared. Get ready for a wild ride, guys. Next one, BLZ. So I have tweeted last January 27 in our Discord, guys, because I have been holding my trade for Ethereum and ETC. Don't miss out on ETH and ETC pump. And today we have seen a beautiful pump for Ethereum, guys. So 500% using 100x leverage and 420% using a 75x leverage. And you know, I'm still holding my trade here in my Fairdesk account. So Ethereum right now is in profit. My Bitcoin short position is in a loss. But again, this is going to be a swing trade, guys. So right now, Bitcoin is on this level. We have talked about this yesterday. So Bitcoin right now is on my first DCA level, and another level right here. I'm going to add more. So these are my DCA levels here for Bitcoin. So I'm going to continue to update you with all of my trades daily, guys. So be sure to smash that notification bell and subscribe if you are new to the channel. I bought at 4 and rode it all the way to 55 and way back down. Wow, that is a real diamond hands. You were not able to sell at the top or even at the middle. You have held from 4 and back up to 55 and back down to 4. That is a true diamond hands. Again, I think one skill that majority needs to learn in crypto is the skill of selling, because majority are very comfortable putting money into crypto, but they don't know how to take it out. They don't know how to take profit. They don't know how to send that crypto back into fiat and to spend it into things that they want. So right now, I think everyone needs, or majority in the crypto, especially the newbies, needs to learn how to take out their gains in crypto and wait for the right time to put the money back in. So make it a habit, guys. So I think we still have a lot of charts here. TLM, still Alien World, still doing very slow here, but nonetheless, beautiful long position. We have been in 3% profit from our long position. My target for this one will be 0.014. So let's just be patient with this trade, guys. I still think that we are going to hit our TP2 here, which will give us around 5% for TLM. This is also one of the trades in our Discord, guys. So this was the initial long position here. This one right here is RDNT. So RDNT is also up. Beautiful bounce from the support trend line. So if you were able to get into the trade, this is going to be 12% target. And right now we are on the 200 exponential moving average. which will serve as a resistance. I have, by the way, shared an announcement today about RDNT in our Discord. Next one is Ethereum, guys, of course.
Let's go!
So Ethereum managed to hold this level, guys. This was shared in our Discord community under Ethereum's channel. So we have a long position here, long entry point at around 2,177. From 2,046 up to 2,177 was our long position for Ethereum. And watch out for the weekly candle close, guys. Weekly candle closing about 2,500 will definitely highly likely bring Ethereum back to 2,700 and probably up to 3,000 level. So this was the previous chart that was shared in our Discord community. The final target for this trade, which was posted January 24. And right now we are February 8. Chinese New Year on February 10, guys. And we have talked about Bitcoin price target 10 days after Chinese New Year. So Ethereum remains final target remains at $3,000 up to 3,500. So let's cross our fingers. So I think that's it. We have covered majority of the charts. Let's proceed with Q&A and chart request. Let me know in the comment section down below.
Let's go! All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so let's go check out Litecoin for Kulian Lu. Are you still watching? If you're still watching, just drop a message in the chat section. Let's go check out. Probably go in long position here for ETC. Let's do 1,000. All right, so let's go check out. I don't know if Kulian is still watching. So we have actually several chart requests here. Can you check long, please, from Heidi Mir. Nice news for long in 2 hours ago. What's the news for long? Let me know. API 3. And ARKM. So let's check who's still watching, and let's do one chart before we end the stream. And while we're waiting, I'm just gonna set my stop loss here for ETC. So probably around liquidation is at 22. So 23.8 probably with a 27 target. 23.8 and $27 for the target. Right, so let's see how it plays out. So yesterday, I've closed the trade. Oh, here. Oh, so yesterday closed Solana, guys, in profit here. So I made, where do we find it here? Over here. Oh, yeah, here. So $500 profit on Solana yesterday, and also for Kasama, guys. How so Kulian Lu is still waiting for Litecoin. Entry on Kaspa, but Lunar New Year from Gucci Cheese. Carl, entry on Kaspa. Oh, let's go check out Kaspa before we end the stream. Oh, Kulian Lu is still watching. Let's go check out Litecoin. I think I have my chart ready on Litecoin. And then let's go check out Kaspa before we end the stream. Litecoin. I think it's on the green. Looks like a possible rising wedge pattern here for Litecoin. Rising wedge is a bearish pattern. And also a possible bear flag, guys. So we have this and then a possible flag here. But let's go check out the previous price action. So drop here and then consolidation and then bounce back up. Let's just find more previous price action. So similar to this one as well. We have this. So we might probably see a pump here. We have actually this 200 exponential moving average, and we have all of this order blocks acting as a support. So the oscillator right now is in the overbought area, but I think there's still a, let's check out volume. So volume is still there. Probably good long, still a good long here, and possible breakout and retest of this level right here, 72. Let's go check out how many percent is that going to be. Let's do 4%. Almost 50-50, guys. So rising wedge is a bearish pattern plus this possible bear flag. But again, we have this exponential moving average, 200 exponential moving average. This red one right here is acting as a support. 50 exponential moving average is acting as a support, plus in confluence with the support trend line in order block. 44.2 thousand Litecoin is waiting on this level. So probably a good long position for Litecoin. So ETC is now on green, guys. Let's go long on Litecoin as well. Again, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only. So for Litecoin, 50-50, guys. Almost 50-50 when it comes to risk to reward ratio. this is cross. Do the isolated, maybe 500. Average, oh, almost. Let's do 10. Did I open a trade? One sec. All right, not yet. Let's do 10x. 48 minutes. We are over time. All right, let's just do this one right here. Very quick. 41 minutes. All right. Let's go on. I still have 2,000 here. All right. Stop loss. What was our stop loss for Litecoin? All right, where's my Litecoin chart now? All right. So where's my Litecoin chart? TLM, Litecoin, all right. So my stop loss for this one is 65.5. 65.5. Let's do the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, all right. So 65.5, probably around here. 65.5. 65.5. And the target was 72.2. 72.2. All right. Almost 50-50, guys. All right, so let's wait for this to play out tomorrow. Ethereum is still going strong, trading at around 2,429 right now. We have also Arvind Givani joining us today. So that was for Litecoin, guys. So that's my short-term trade setup for Litecoin. If you're going to zoom out, guys, Litecoin is still consolidating on this level. Let's go check out the daily time frame. So Litecoin is still hovering near the support, guys. Look at this. If you're going to zoom out, we are still near the support. And we have this 200 exponential moving average on the daily time frame. This is actually a good confluence here and a good target, guys. All right, so I think let's wait for the trade to play out. Kaspa, entry on Kaspa. Let's go check out Kaspa very quickly. KuCoin, is this a good chart? Please can you check Jupiter? I think we don't have time because it's already 52 minutes. We are live for almost 52 minutes here. So this was the previous breakout point here. Let's go check out CoinMarketCap. Kaspa. Is this correct? This chart request is from Carl. The Moon Carl. I think Carl was promoting previously, supporting Caspa. Let me know if this is the right right ticker here, Caspa. Data is very slow. Very slow. So let's go back to trading view, because coin market cap is not responding. So I think right now this is not the right time to FOMO into this rally, because the price right now, if we are going to measure this as a swing high at around 0.15 and swing low at around 0.75, right now the price is at 61.8 Fibonacci golden ratio. So we need to wait for a confirmation. And if you want a entry on Caspa for long term, if you're trading on spot, I would probably wait for the price to drop back to this level right here, because we have this 200 exponential moving average, and also we have a huge fair value gap below this area right here, and probably this is going to be filled in the future, guys. So even up to this level. So this is going to be my buy zone here. Let's go check out how many percent is that going to be. So that's around 56% from the current price. So this is going to be my DCA level, 40%. And we have this 200 exponential moving average at 35%, guys. Buy zone and DCA. So DCA means dollar cost average. So if you have, like, for example, $1,000 to put into a trade, you would DCA just in case your entry here was wrong and the price continues to move down. Then you can still do dollar cost averaging. In that way, you can lower down your entry price. So buy a little bit near 200 exponential moving average. If the price continues to move down, I would continue to accumulate near the support trend line. And of course, this was the previous breakout point here. And probably the price will likely drop back to this level in the future. So I think that's it for now, guys. Arvin Giovanni, I have 2,500 USDT. Let me help me to make portfolio chill. I have actually created a new portfolio in my coin market cap account here, and I'm gonna share this one with you guys in the coming days. So let me just complete this one. So this was my main portfolio here. So the profit right now is around $20,000 with the initial investment of $10,000. So I made approximately 3x on my initial investment. And this is the new portfolio that I have made, guys. So initially I have invested or added $1,000 into this portfolio. Right now I have only Polkadot here, but as soon if we get that big correction before halving, then I will share with you my buy zone for Bitcoin and for the rest of the altcoin. Probably some long-term bags and probably some gems will include it here in our long-term portfolio 2024-2025. So again, if you have enjoyed this video, smash that like button, guys. Share this video. Subscribe to the channel. I've seen the YouTube analytics. So there are around 40% who are watching the stream regularly, but is not subscribed to the channel. So if you want to support the channel and if you like this kind of content, support the channel by smashing that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell if you are new and if you enjoy this kind of content. So that's it for today, guys. Have a good night and enjoy your evening. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.